Hello everybody! After yesterday maiden flight with strong wind, today I'm going to see how my Apex behave in this wonderful place.
Hey now, if happiness is what you seek, no need to drag your feet when you're strung downtown with me, babe. If you're tired, wide, with nothing much left inside, life's not about waiting for chance or fashion possibilities. We could take it slow, back to where we begun, and go with the flow. Try not to look at the sun. We could take it fast, just for fun. Leave this moment to chance. Fly by the seat of our fly by the seat of our pants. Seat of our pants. Come on and step inside for this roller coaster ride, with the fireworks lighting up the skies. You and me becoming hypnotized. The laughing clowns can roll their eyes with a smiley token made for size. We could have more fun than any money buys.